Hello everyone, so welcome to our another new episode of MNH Intellect Platform. Today's topic is a continuation of our Express Entry program to Canada, and this is the third episode. So if you have not watched previous two videos, please do watch them first and then follow up step-by-step process with me in this step 3. So let's start third step to Express Entry. Okay, so as you already watched last two videos where we actually cover first two steps of Express Entry to Canada, I use the government website, and the link to this page is also available in the description of this video. So you can access this page through there and follow up step by step with me. So in the first step, we've done eligibility part. So we've checked whether we are eligible for Canadian immigration program or not. If you are, then you can move to the next step where we actually check the CRS score. And if your CRS scores is over 450, then you have a fair chance of getting an invitation from the Canadian government for the application of Express Entry. So hopefully if you're watching this video, hopefully you've gone through first two steps and you have enough points that you can proceed for the rest of the step and plan your move to Canada. So here, now I'm going to start the third and the most important part of the application. And the third part is you want to make sure that you have the right documents available. And once you have the documents available, then you start completing your profile online and submitting your application online for Canadian immigration review process. So I'll go through step-by-step process now. What documents are required at this stage, and it's very simple. There's only two main documents required in this stage, and how you actually create your profile online and submit your application. Okay, so let me start with the first one. Okay, so let's start with documents now. So if I click on this page, as you can see, the list of all documents you need for your application. So here the first one is a passport, travel documents you have. Then the second, and which obviously the most important document, is the language test result. So if you're doing the IELTS test, then you have to specify the IELTS test reference number and obviously your score. That's what you need. So if you have not done the IELTS test yet, so go ahead with any other language as IELTS test. Once you're done, then you can obviously create your profile online. And the third document, which is again the second most important document, is the educational credential assessment report. So either you have secured this academic qualification from Canada, within Canada, or outside. In both cases, you have to submit your qualification proof. And if it is from outside Canada, then you have to submit the assessment report as well. That will be assessed by the agency. So I'll send you the description of this video with all of the agencies who actually can approve your qualification regardless where you're living. So that's obviously a third one. And then the provincial nomination program. So if you have applied any other province of Canada, obviously you need the reference number for that as well. And the written job offer. So I'm assuming at the moment you don't have any job offer from Canada, but if you have, then it's an extra point for that, so you can use that. And the proof of the funds. So proof of the fund at this stage, you just need to mention the amount you have. You don't need to submit any bank statement or anything like that. So it's very basic, and the most important two documents needed. The first one, your language test results, and the second one is your qualification certificate. So these two obviously you need only at this stage. If you have these ready, then you can create your online account. You can submit your profile within 10 to 15 minutes, and once obviously your profile is in on the government website available. Your number, your name, or your profile will be in the next draw of Canada, which obviously happening every month, and you'll be the lucky one who got obviously the next invitation. So I'll go through the rest of this step in the next part, but here the most important, as I said, the 2 documents. So get those documents ready, and if you have those documents ready, and we can move to the next part.